Freehand movement. Freehand drawing is the foundation of digital art. It helps you improve hand control, confidence, and creativity. In freehand drawing, we draw without using rulers, grids, or guides. The goal is not perfection, but practice. Default brush checking. First, let's check the default brush settings. Look at the brush size, opacity, and flow. Keep everything simple. Avoid adding smoothing or special effects in the beginning. When the brush is basic, you can clearly see how your hand moves and how your lines behave. Circle practice. Circle practice is an important exercise for improving hand control. Using the default brush, start by drawing slow and smooth circles. Don't worry if the shape is not perfect. Focus on keeping your movement continuous and relaxed. Use your wrist and arm, not just your fingers. Practice clockwise and counterclockwise motion. Avoid lifting the pen too often. Consistency matters more than accuracy. Daily circle practice builds strong muscle memory. Over time, your lines will become smoother and more confident. I will speed up the video. You can do it and take your time. Square practice. Square practice is essential for building strong drawing fundamentals. It helps improve line accuracy, control, and structure. Using the default brush, focus on drawing straight, confident lines. Each square trains your hand to start and stop lines with precision. Corners may feel difficult at first, but that challenge builds discipline. Square practice improves perspective, shape balance, and edge control. Don't rush the lines. Keep your movements steady and intentional. Even imperfect squares are progress. With regular practice, your sketches become cleaner, your forms more solid, and your digital art more confident. Follow these patterns. Pattern following practice is important for improving accuracy and control. It trains your eyes and hands to work together by following a pattern. You learn consistency, spacing, and rhythm. Using the default brush, focus on repeating shapes smoothly and evenly. Mistakes are normal. What matters is maintaining the flow. This practice builds patience and discipline. Over time, your lines become more stable, and your drawings look cleaner and more organized. Pattern practice also improves symmetry and prepares you for complex designs. Simple repetition creates strong fundamentals. Control and confidence come from practice. Pressure sensitivity practice helps you control line weight and flow. Using the default brush, press lightly for thin lines and harder for thicker strokes. Feel how pressure changes the line naturally. This practice trains your hand to respond with precision. Don't rush the movement. Focus on smooth transitions between light and heavy pressure. Uneven strokes are part of learning. With regular practice, your lines become more expressive and dynamic. Pressure control adds life and depth to your artwork. Mastering pressure sensitivity turns simple lines into confident, professional strokes. Vertical line practice builds control and stability in digital drawing. Using the default brush, draw lines from top to bottom in one smooth motion. Focus on keeping each line straight and confident. Avoid sketchy strokes. One clean movement is better than many small ones. Don't worry if the lines are not perfect. Small mistakes help improve accuracy. Relax your hand and use your arm for guidance. Consistent vertical practice strengthens precision and prepares you for complex shapes and structures. Strong lines create strong foundations. Master control, and your art will improve naturally. If this video added value to your art practice, hit subscribe for more simple, effective digital art exercises.